finally got that puppy out. Now we're just gonna do some serious cleaning. Let's get some light shut on the subject here. Oil sitting on the bottom there. It just flat out looks pretty nasty to me, so I'm gonna take some time and clean her up a little bit. And then start putting her all back together. Fuel tank is out. That's hard work. So we started cleaning this thing up. Took the fuel tank out and did a whole bunch of scrubbing and cleaning. Took the mats out underneath the fuel tank. That all looks much better. Where the engine compartment is at, that looks good. Now I'm gonna focus in on that mess back there. That always gets really, really bad just because of all the oils that fall out of the oil tank. The oil tank's over here. So we've got the fuel tank and the oil tank all cleaned up. So a lot of times this gasket will leak on the bottom here, and the oil will leak all over inside the hull. Any sort of water that gets in the hull too, that'll just kind of slosh it around and make a big old mess, and it'll just coat everything, make it look all oily. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do tonight, is dig in here and start cleaning up this mess here, and that's going to be about it for cleaning it. I think I'm going to start throwing things together after that. So here we go. Alright, so this is as far as I'm going to get it. Oh, got it cleaned up pretty good. Got it, was quite a bit of oil and grease and stuff back there. I've got a couple of things I'm going to fix, patch up. Like where the bolts come through the hull and that kind of stuff. I'm going to put some new silicone on it. You can see it right here. Here's one of the spots right there. That's, you know, another spot there, but I pulled some off over here. There's a bolt exposed right there, so I'm going to put some more silicone on that and another spot in the back there. But other than that, that's about as good as I'm going to get it. I'm not going to mess with it any more than that. So I already got the fuel tank and the oil tank all cleaned up, so that'll be the first thing to go in. Put the mats back in there. That should be it for the evening. I got other stuff I got to get taken care of. Yep, there's Mr. Whiskers. Hi, buddy. How you doing? Good boy, buddy. That's all I got for now. We'll catch you later. See ya.